The world of finance is in a constant state of evolution, a dynamic landscape where traditional institutions and disruptive technologies have long operated on separate tracks. ICICI Bank, a trusted banking giant serving millions, recently electrified the financial community with a landmark announcement that has officially revealed plans for strategic integration with the PI network. This marks a pivotal moment, one of the first instances of a major mainstream banking institution formally collaborating with a decentralized, mobile-first cryptocurrency project. To understand this partnership's significance, we must explore what makes Pi Network revolutionary. At its core, Pi Network is designed with one primary goal: accessibility. Created by Stanford graduates to solve the biggest barriers preventing widespread crypto adoption. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires specialized hardware and vast electricity consumption, Pi utilizes a lightweight consensus algorithm allowing anyone to mine from their smartphone. This integration builds a robust bridge between TradFi, traditional finance, and DeFi, decentralized finance, sectors that have operated in isolation with mutual distrust. Imagine logging into your ICICI Bank mobile app and seeing your savings account balance, credit card statements, loan details, and your Pi coin holdings, all on a single, intuitive dashboard. The long-term vision includes enabling customers to use their PI coins for everyday transactions through ICICI's payment infrastructure. Integration could revolutionize cross-border remittances, letting a user in India send Pi to a relative abroad almost instantly and at minimal cost, bypassing the expensive correspondent banking system. This collaboration fosters greater financial inclusion, connecting Pi's mobile-first network to formal banking services, creating pathways from informal digital economy to the formal financial system. At the heart of this partnership are three core principles designed to benefit the end user: speed, security, and simplicity. Blockchain-based transactions can be significantly faster than conventional banking systems, especially for cross-border payments, settling in seconds rather than business days. Security is addressed from two angles: ICICI Bank's robust time-tested infrastructure with multi-factor authentication and fraud detection, combined with Pi Network's cryptographically secured, immutable, transparently recorded distributed ledger. This partnership doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's part of Pi Network's comprehensive strategy, with millions of KYC-verified pioneers migrating their mined Pi to mainnet. The Pi browser ecosystem is flourishing with developers building real-world utilities, peer-to-peer marketplaces, social platforms, games, establishing intrinsic value for Pi coin based on utility rather than speculation. Watch for phased implementation starting with Pi Wallet linking for balance viewing, followed by pilot programs for peer-to-peer transfers and merchant payments. Monitor the regulatory response carefully. The collaboration between a major regulated bank and decentralized cryptocurrency network treads new ground, especially in India's evolving digital asset jurisdiction. Focus on official sources, rely on ICICI Bank's corporate communications and PI Network's official channels. Avoid social media rumors, and be wary of anyone promising guaranteed returns or requesting private keys. We're standing on the threshold of a financial revolution where fiat and digital currencies begin to blur, creating unprecedented accessibility, convenience, and security. This partnership strips away crypto complexity, embedding Pi inside familiar banking interfaces, delivering concrete benefits, unified dashboards, simplified payments, faster international transfers, greater financial inclusion. By understanding these implications and staying informed through official channels, we can navigate and benefit from this new financial landscape. This is the beginning of a new chapter where accessibility and innovation converge, fundamentally rethinking how financial services are delivered to everyone, everywhere.